Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're tackling the task of replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This process requires some specific tools and patience. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Torx screwdriver set, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure to have a workspace that is well lit and organized. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV12. Safety first. Next, use a Torx screwdriver to remove the screws on the back of the vacuum. Typically, there are 6 screws located near the battery compartment. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back panel away from the main body. You might need to use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it off if it's stuck. As you do this, be cautious not to damage any clips that hold the panel in place. Now, let's focus on the motor. You'll find it housed within the main body. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the motor. If you're unsure about this step, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is done correctly. Next, you will see several screws securing the motor in place. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these. Make sure to keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. With the screws removed, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Here's where you might find some dust and debris accumulated over time. It's essential to clean the area thoroughly before installing the new motor. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the internal components, ensuring no dust remains that could interfere with the new motor's performance. Now, take your new motor and align it within the housing. Ensure that the connectors line up properly. If you don't have the tools for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Once the new motor is in place, secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but don't over-tighten them to avoid damaging the motor housing. Reconnect the battery connector. This is a crucial step, so double-check that it's firmly attached. After that, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press it into place, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace the screws on the back panel, tightening them down with your Torx screwdriver. Again, keep track of the screw sizes and locations for future reference. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and turn it on to test the new motor. Ensure everything is functioning as it should. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront before proceeding with any additional services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.